Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix important battery message on your iPhone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. You can see here it's showing important battery message. Your battery health reporting system is recalibrating maximum capacity and peak performance capability. This process may take a few weeks. So guys, if you want to get rid of this message, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the setting, then you have to scroll it on. Now from here guys, just simply locate for battery and just simply you have to make sure that if you don't turn on low power mode, just simply turn off low power mode and after that close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply tap on volume up button and then press the volume down button and just simply tap and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Okay guys, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.